Okay, now open Visual Studio Code, add folder to workspace, desktop we have node auth, and in here instead of var we are going to use const because this is a more elegant way to declare a variable. So just for Control F, it will select all the var and replace with const replace all. Okay, do that for all routes we have index, we have user routes. We are going to use nodebone that will restart our server every time we change in our code. npm install nodebone. This also we should install globally. Once nodebone is installed successfully, just write nodebone and press enter. It will run your server. Once again reload the page. It's working perfectly. Now let's set up our basic routes. Okay, from here index and this route. Okay, in user.js we already have a route. You see users. Let's go to the users /users. We are getting response from a resource that is coming from this send. We are able to do this because this express route app.use. That means whenever the user route will become from this file already go in our users. Now create few more routes. Okay, let's make a route for sign in. Just write router.get quotation mark / sign in comma callback function request res next. This is our callback function we're going to need. Okay, response dot render, we're going to render a file that will come from this views folder. Just create one more folder here, users. Inside user we're going to create sign in dot HBS, that is a view file for sign in page. Just write sign in. Later on we are going to make all of the style for the sign in page. User, we are already in views folder when you set up this handlebar. Okay, handlebar template engine. We don't need to give .hbs extension here. Okay, save it. After this user / and sign in, the URL is here. You see it's responding to this view engine sign in. Okay, now we are going to make two more routes for our sign up and profile page. Okay, just write get, that is my shortcut I made, sign up, and views will be users / sign up. Make route for profile. All of them will be get request. When you submit the form of sign in or sign up, that will be our post request. I will show that in later on. Users, let's create two more file, sign up and profile inside this users. Okay, sign up dot HBS, sign up, save, profile dot HBS, profile. Save it once again, reload the page. It's perfect. sign up, it's perfect. Profile, it's not perfect. Okay, let's see what's wrong with profile. This should be profile. Okay, once again reload the page. Profile, it is working perfectly. Now it's time to connect to the database. Okay, all of our users will be saved into our database. Just create one more folder, config. To connect to the database, there is a easy way. We need to install a package, that is Mongoose. Okay, npm install Mongoose. Okay, Mongoose is installed successfully. Let's use it. Go to the app.js. From here, this is my personal setup. Okay, Mongoose. Okay, for this tutorial we are going to use MongoDB Atlas Cloud. Just go to MongoDB. From here you need to go to the sign in. Okay, when you log in with MongoDB Atlas, you should show this kind of page. What you need to do, you need to create a new project. From here I'll create a new project. Name of our project will be node_auth. Next, add member. Okay, we'll do everything later on in this video. Okay, so stay tuned. It will create a project for us. What you need to do, you need to build a cluster. This is free on, you can see this is totally free. Starting at create a cluster. I will be stick with AWS and Virginia. Make sure this is free, or if you want to buy this, or you just need to select another sandbox. M2, M5, additional setting, all you have, you can set up from here. Create cluster. Behind the scene, MongoDB is creating a cluster for us that we are going to use in our project. Okay, they have made a cluster for us. Now we are going to connect it. Before that, let's change the setting. Click on this network access, add IP address, add current IP, or allow access from anywhere. Where do you do this app for protection? You of course need to do for allow access from anywhere. For now I'm going to create add current IP addresses. Okay, do anything for the comment, confirm. Let's make an user for this database. Status, it is pending. You can see when it is done, we are going to create a user for our database. The only person able to use this database, able to manipulate this database. Okay, click on this database, add new database user. Okay, username will be Shayo. Okay, let's aggregate a SQL password. Just copy this and paste it inside this config. keys.js. Later on we'll set up all of them. Okay, for now just make it. Okay, down bottom add user. Go to this cluster. Now it's time to connect the database. Okay, connect with your application. Click here, copy and paste the link here. Save it, Ctrl S. Now we are going to set up our database. Here below this module dot exports is equal mongo URI colon, copy this line, Ctrl C, double quotation mark, paste it here and replace the password field. You see it's showing the password and username is Sion, and delete this two line. We don't need this two anymore. Save it. We are going to use this export Mongo URI inside our app.js to connect to the database. Okay, we already installed Mongos. Let's use it. Mongos dot connect. This is the URIs. Okay, we need to import that URIs. Below this Mongo, just write const keys is equal require /config keys dot mongo URI. Just copy this variable, paste it here. Now once we connected, we need to comma new URL parser is true, and when you connect it, let's make it then promise. Let's make it promise. When we are connected, it will show some messages. Okay, do this in only online. Log MongoDB is connected. In another line, when it failed to connected, it will show us a message error console.error is error. Save it, reload the page from here, and you see MongoDB is connected. Ignore this line. Okay.